Let's unbox this new pair of glasses from LV. Okay. These are the millionaire glasses, basically. So what I've gotten here, got a Vuitton card, and then we've got a booklet. Okay. So this is the main case. Okay. We've got just a pouch, which has beautiful millionaire glasses. So I've got Vuitton Paris 2018. Okay, so I've got this side, the main thing here. I've got the Z1165W, which is the model number. So I think it's the style. W is for West, E is for East. So when we purchasing stuff from LV, it's very important to get the Western style or Eastern style, depending on your face. They have to be 100% sure with the model, otherwise I had a bit of issue with Eastern style, so I had to exchange it with Western because it was falling off my nose. Okay, these are made in Italy. Okay, so this is how they'll look. Okay, I've got LV at the temples, so I've got the frame, gold frame going around the frames. It's pretty decent ones. I like these, but they may be a bit heavier when you wear it. I have another pair which should be very light. They are very light, basically. Alright, let's try them out now. Let's see the fit. Western style. Ready to go. Alright, they feel nice and tight, so make sure when you're buying LV glasses, we have to get correct model and fit. So we just have to check with the advisor that we're getting East or West. I didn't know that before, so we just have East or West models. So make sure do that, and then we are golden. They're nice and tight. Previously I had Eastern and they're a bit loose and fallen off.